Students, today we shall study how to solve exercise 3.4. Here, the first question is find the common factors of 20, 28, 15, 25, 35, 50 and 56, 120. Now come to solve first question number A, 20 and 28. Answer. First take the number 20. Write all the factors of 20. All the factors of 20 is equals to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. All these are the factors of 20. Similarly, all the factors of 28 is equals to all the factors of 28 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. These are the factors of 20 and these are the factors of 28. In both the fact list, circle the numbers which are common factors. 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common. So, these are the common factors of 20 and 28. Therefore, common factors of 20 and 28 is equals to 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. So, this is how to find the common factors of 20 and 28. Similarly, the next question 15 and 25. Number B. Answer B. (15) and 25. All the factors of 15 is equals to, we divide 15 by 1, 3, 5 and 15 completely. So, all these are the factors of 15. And similarly, all the factors of 25 is equals to, we can divide 25 completely by 1, 5 and 25. So, 1, 5 and 25. These are the factors of 25. Therefore, in all the factors of 15 and 25, the common factors are 1 and 5. These are the common factors. How many common factors are there? Yes, 2. Therefore, common factors of 15 and 25 is equals to, write the numbers which are circled 1 and 5. So, 1 and 5 are the common factors of 15 and 25. Similarly, answer C. Our question C is 35 and 50. Similar students, try to solve question number C. Answer C. The given question is 35 and 50. Write all the factors of 35. All the factors of 35 is equals to 135 is of 35, 5, 5 7 is 35, 7 5 is 35 and 35. These are the factors of 35. And similarly, all the factors of 50 is equals to 1, 150s are, then 225s are, then 5 tens are, next 10 5s are, next 25 twos are, and last factor is 50. So all these are the factors of 50. Now in the list of all the factors of 35 and in the list of all the factors of 50, circle the numbers which are common. 1 is common, 5 is common. Is there any number common, any factor common? No. So 1 and 5 are the common factors of 35 and 50. Therefore common factors of 35 and 50 is equals to 1 and 5. Students, similarly try to solve question number D. Find the common factors of 56 and 120 yourself. Now come to next question. Find the common factors of number 1, find the common factors of number A, 4, 8 and 12. Number B, 5, 15 and 25. Answer A, 4, 8 and 12. Write all the factors of 4, 8, 12 separately and then find the common factors. It gives the answer. Therefore, all factors of 4 is equals to 1, 2 and 4. These are the factors of 4. Similarly, all factors of 8 is equals to 1, 2, 4 and 8. And similarly, all factors of 12 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now, in all the three list of numbers, find what are the common factors. 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor and 4 is the common factor. 1, 2 and 4. These are the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. Therefore, common factors of 4, 8 and 12 is equals to 1, 2, yes, 4. 1, 2 and 4. Similarly, next question, 5, 15 and 25. Answer B. In the question number B, we are given three numbers, 5, 15 and 25. First write all the factors of 5. What are the factors of 5? Yes, 1 and 5. 1 and 5. And similarly, all the factors of 15. Very good. That is equals to 1, 3, 5 and 15. Similarly, what are the factors of 25? Yes, 1, 5 and 25. These are the factors of 5, these are the factors of 15, and these are the factors of 25. Very good. Now find what are the common factors. So in all the three lists, 1 is common and 5 is common. Therefore 1 and 5 are the common factors. Circle them. Yes. Therefore common factors of 5, 15 and 25 is equals to 1 and 5. 1 and 5. These are the common factors of 5, 15 and 25. So students, this is the method how to find the common factors of given 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Yes. Similarly students, come to solve question number 3. In the question number 3 we are given, find first 3 common multiples of. Find first 3 multiples of 3 multiples of number A 6 and 8, number B 12 and 18. See students, in the earlier question, the question was about to find the common factors, but here the question is about to find the first 3 multiples of. The first 3 common multiples. The first 3 common multiples. Common multiples of. See here how to find answer A. In the question number A, we are given 2 numbers 6 and 8. First write all the multiples of 6 and then write all the multiples of 8. Then find the common multiples. Therefore, all multiples of 6 is equals to. Write 6th table. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, etc. Similarly, all multiples of 8 is equals to. Write 8th table. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, like this. Now, find the common multiple. Now, in both the list of multiples, first we get 24 is the common multiple. When we get one number in the multiples, one number as the common in both the list, it is the first common multiple. Therefore, common multiples of 6 and 8, 6 and 8 is equals to. In these two lists, we got only 24 as the common. First write 24, then write the tables of 24. They are the common multiples of 6 and 8. 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, etc. These are the common multiples of 6 and 8. Therefore, in our question, we need to write first three common multiples. First one 24, second one 48, third one 72. Therefore, first three multiples of 6 and 8 is equals to first one 24, second one is 48 and third one is 72. So this is about how to find the first three common multiples of given any numbers. In the first one, the question is about to find the first three common multiples of 6 and 8. Similarly, second one 12 and 18. Answer B. In question number B, we are given 12 and 18. Question number B, 12 and 18. Write all the multiples of 12. All the multiples of 12 is equals to, write the 12th table. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, like this. All these are the multiples of 12. And similarly, write all the multiples of 18 is equals to, write 18th table. 18, 36, 54, 72, like this. 72, then 90, then 108, like this. So, in both the list of multiples, circle the numbers which are common. First number is 36. Then second number is 72. Then third number is 108. Then it is 108. 96, then 106, 108, like this. Next number is 108. Therefore, common multiples of 12 and 18, 12 and 18 is equals to first number 36, second number 72, third number 108, like this. The numbers are continuing. Therefore, we want first three common multiples of 12 and 18. Therefore, the first three common multiples of 12 and 18 is equals to 36, 72 and 108. Now come to next question. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Next question. Question number 4. Next question. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So, common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100. Common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. We need to find the common multiples of 3 and 4. They should be less than 100, not more than 100. First write all the multiples of 3, all multiples of 3 is equals to, write third table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, like this, etc. Similarly, write all multiples of 4, that is equals to, write fourth table, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. So, this is the list of all the multiples of 3 and this is the list of all multiples of 4. Now, circle the numbers which are common in both the multiples. So, the first common multiple is 12 and then 24 after 20 here in the list of all the multiples of 4, after 20 it is 24. These are the common multiples, therefore common multiples of 3 and 4 is equals to, first number is 12. When we get the first common multiple of 3 and 4 as 12, then write the numbers of tables of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, etc. Therefore, now all these are the multiples of common multiples of 3 and 4 after 72, 84, then 96, then 108, etc. Now 108 is more than 100, but we want the common multiples of 3 and 4, they must be less than 100. Therefore, the common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100 is equals to, write all these common multiples up to from 12 to 96. So, these are the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100. Question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Question number 5. Number A, 18 and 35. Number B, 15 and 37. Similarly, question number C, D, E, F. First solve these two questions. Students, in this question, we need to check whether 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. Question number B, whether 15 and 37 are co-prime numbers. So, before solving this question, you should know what is the meaning of co-prime. Co-prime means the numbers which have 1 as their common factor. So, the two numbers which are having only 1 as their common factor is called the co-prime. Answer number A, 18 and 35. See students, first write all the factors of 13. All factors of 18 is equals to, see here, 18 ones are 18, next 9 twos are 18, next 3 sixes are 18, 18 ones are, 9 twos are, 3 sixes are. So these are the factors of 18. Therefore, that is equals to, write 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. All these are the factors of 18. Similarly, all factors of 35 is equals to, 35 ones are 35 and 1 are the factors of 35. Similarly, 5 sevens are 35. 5 and 7 are also the factors of 35. Therefore, all the factors of 35 is equals to 1, 5, 7, 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. Therefore, common factors of 18 and 35 is equals to, now find what are the common factors in the factors of 18 and also in the factors of 35. There is no common factors, only one common factor is there, that is 1. So, the common factors of 18 and 35 is 1. When the given two numbers are having the common factors as only 1, then those two numbers are said to be the co-prime. Therefore, number A, 18 and 35 are co-primes. If in any two numbers, if we get the common factors other than 1, then give the answer, the given two numbers are not co-prime, because co-prime numbers are always having their common factor only 1.